Hey baby dolls, so I have an unboxing review for you. Damn. It just came in. So I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit about this company before we get started. This hair is from Fashion Idol Hair. The company is located in Los Angeles. They design hair products in London, and they are a long-established brand, I believe in Kenya and South Africa. So the company contacted me to do a hair review for them, and of course I said yes. They have a website on Amazon, and I'm going to link everything down below in the description bar, so please make sure that you go click on that, and we're going to check out this hair. So I have not opened it yet. This is my first time opening it, so you're going to see what I see first as well. So let's see. Okay, I like this. Actually, the packaging is so freaking cute. Let me turn down my light a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so when you open it, it looks like this. Wait, I don't want anything to fall out, but when you open it, this is what it looks like on my lashes. You know what? We're gonna do it like this. This seems like the safer way. Okay, so basically this is a hair care guide, and we all know what a hair care guide is. It basically helps you and teaches you how to maintain your hair and what to do and what not to do, what's not recommended. So I'm happy they put that in there, because not all hair companies are the same and not all hair is the same. So if this company has a specific way to maintain their hair, especially follow those directions. So on to the hair though. Damn. Okay, so I'm upside down with it. Bam. Look at that. I have 3 bundles, and I believe it is a 16-inch closure, a 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22. I spoke to Claire from Fashion Idol, and we've been talking for about 11 days now. So these were the lengths that they sent me, along with the lashes. Look at the lashes. I'm definitely gonna wear these because they're so cute. So along with the lashes, and I got hair clips that came in there, which I definitely need more of. So I'm happy that they hooked me up with some hair clips, because I definitely need more. And here is the hair. So we're gonna see what we're working with right now. Let's see. The packaging is so awesome. Like, I love packaging. Like, if the packaging is nice, it's just amazing. And let me show you guys something. I don't know if I showed you, but on the packaging, it tells you right here what you have. I don't know if you can see it. So it tells you your order right on the packaging. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, I was right. I had a 4x4 16-inch closure, an 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch. Now you guys know I love long hair, so I had to stay long. So this is gonna be the 18-inch. This is the 18-inch. And it's very soft. It doesn't have a smell, but it's very soft hair. No smell, which is good. It has a shine. Do you see that shine? Now this feels like, this is supposed to be, what hair is this? Brazilian straight. And it feels thicker than Brazilian. So that's good, because it doesn't feel like Brazilian. It feels like it could be Peruvian, because it's kind of thick. It has like a, you know, a thickness to it. But these are the ends. gonna show you how all of them look. Ooh, oh, wow. Dropping stuff. Right, okay. So we got the 20. And this is soft too. This is soft and it feels thick. Like, I don't know. It's like they say it's Brazilian, but it's thick. Like, it feels very thick. Not very thick, but it feels like Peruvian hair, and that's a plus for me because I love thick hair now. Don't say anything about my hair now because it's air dried and it just fully dried. So I'm gonna flat iron it later on in the day, but this is how it looks when it's air dried. So, but I love thick hair. My hair has to be thick. And this is good. This is soft. And you see the shine? Do you see the shine in the hair, you guys? Now, one thing I didn't notice about the hair, it has a lot of flyaways. You can see it. It has a lot of flyaways, so I hope that's not a problem later on when I install it, because it has a lot of them. And these are the ends. But the hair is thick and it's soft, so that's good. That's a plus. This is the waft. These are both bundles together. Look at that luster. The shine has me excited. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little excited because of the shine. Like, it has a nice little shine to it. So I'm excited. Honestly, I did not know that the hair was gonna come today. I was not expecting the hair to come today, so I'm still in my pajamas. I did not know this hair was gonna come today. So I'm gonna make a unit with this hair. I think I'm gonna dye it. I don't know what color I'm gonna dye it. Ooh, and the 22 feels so silky and soft. It feels so silky and soft. And look at that shine. Shine bright like a diamond. No, but I like this hair so far. The ends are not dead. I could say that. They're not brittle. They look healthy. I could run my fingers through the hair. So these are all 3 bundles put together. And I cannot wait to make my unit with this. I really cannot wait. Now, you guys see the flyaways. Like, that's the only thing that I have a problem with right now. The hairs, they don't have any smell. They're thick, really thick. It feels like Peruvian hair, and that's a plus. I don't like thin bundles, no. It's soft, but the flyaways, that's my only issue right now, is the flyaways. So we're gonna see how that works out. Where's my closure? Oh, okay, closure. So this is the closure. It came in its own little separate packaging, which is so freaking cute. And even on the closure, it tells you the description of what you ordered. Isn't that cool? Like, it's on the box and it's on the actual closure. So that's actually cool. Okay, so I'm taking off this. Now this is a 4x4 closure. So I love being able to part. That's I'm dropping stuff. That's the best part, is being able to part. Now this is a free part closure because I don't like any middle part closures or anything like that. This is free part. You see that? What? This is a free part closure, a 4x4 16-inch free part closure. And like I said, you guys, the company has a store on Amazon now, so you guys definitely need to go check that out. The closure is nice and soft. It's no smell to the closure, no smell at all. Let me see if I can get a little closer so you guys can see. Look at the shine. These are the ends. And it's thick. The closure is full, you guys. So that's a plus. That's a plus. It's full. Making sure you guys see. So this is cool. I'm gonna put the links down below. Tell them I sent you, of course. And you're getting all of this for an affordable amount. An affordable amount. They have sales going on. So that's really great. Look at that, like, come on. I can't wait to install this. I cannot wait to install this hair. I can't wait. I just can't. I can't. And like I said before, the ends are healthy. The ends are healthy, you guys. So that's a plus. I like that. That's a plus. The hair is thick. It does not feel like Brazilian. It feels like Peruvian. And that's a plus as well because I don't like thin hair. So that's great that it feels really thick the way it does. And it's still silky and soft. And we're going to see how this hair goes. Like, we're going to see how it goes. Like, I cannot wait to install this hair. And it's always like that. I get so hyped to install hair when I get it. So, you know, I just hope this goes well. And I hope 3 bundles is enough because I always put like 4 or 5 bundles. I always use 4 or 5 bundles. Like, I rarely use 3 bundles. So I hope 3 bundles. Someone's gonna ask me about customer service. The customer service at this company has been a breeze. I have not had any issues with this company customer service wise, and that's just the honest truth. I had no issues with the company customer service wise. They responded back the same day. If not the same day, the next day. I have not had to wait 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 days for a response. They respond back very fast and they answer all your questions. They're very professional. I had a breeze with this company. I had no issues. So that's a thumbs up because most companies, they just want you to hurry up and buy this stuff and go away. So this company actually was a breeze, and we're going to see how this goes. Bye, you guys. Fashion, idle hair. I need you guys to rate, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe because I'm trying to get my subscribers way up. Bye, you guys.